Chef Anthony Lopinto, and we are here with Ilfornino Outdoor Wood Ovens, and we are going to be demonstrating how to roast fish on cedar planks. Now, we're doing salmon today, but you can do any type of fish that you want. What we have here is our cedar plank. The cedar plank has to soak in water at the minimum of 2 hours. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show how to get the fish ready for the planking. Then we'll demonstrate how to burn the plank and then cook the fish. So what we're going to do is we're going to have our cedar plank and we're going to place this into the oven to blacken one side. Then what we'll do is we are going to take fresh herbs. I have fresh rosemary, I have fresh thyme, I have fresh sage, and we're going to put this directly on the cedar plank that will be blackened. Now, we have a mixture of some whole grain mustard, some honey, and some other spices. Now, all the recipes are on our website. So we'll take some of our mixture of mustard and honey and spices and place this on our fish, okay? Now, just use your fingers and spread some of this deliciousness over your fish, okay? Now, I have some beautiful citrus here. I have some blood oranges, I have some limes, and some lemons. Now, you'll be roasting the fish in a pretty hot oven, probably around 900 degrees. So what I want you to do is take this beautiful citrus and cover the top of your fish. It's now ready to go onto the boards. We're going to take our plank and we're going to put it into the oven to start to get a char. Now over here we have our salmon. I wanted to show you exactly how we have it. So we took our mustard and our honey and spice mix, rubbed it over the salmon, seasoned it, and we have a layer of lemons, limes, and blood oranges. On the bottom of the salmon, we have fresh thyme, rosemary, and sage. I have some beautiful vegetables here, some corn on the cob, some asparagus, and some roasted tomatoes. In the meantime, what we can do is we can take our corn and we can start to get that roasted. We can add some olive oil, salt and pepper. Okay, so here we are getting our cedar on fire and charred. That looks great. Now, see how that's smoking beautifully? Let's put our herbs on top of the hot wood. And now we'll place our salmon on top of the herbs. And now we're going to slide our cedar planked salmon into the oven. There we go, looking good. Now I'm going to take our corn on the cob. We're going to throw that right onto the flames and let that roast.